big tower. Let's throw that to the side. A wider safety box up on top, it appears. I don't think I'm going to need this. I'm not doing a line, so I'm not going to drop anything. No, the box. That's fine. We can drop that. This is a big puppy. Now I'm almost thinking I should do a Star Wars build. You don't really realize watching videos and looking at pictures doesn't do the same justice as far as the aesthetics. Up it comes. Thank you for your purchase. Yay. Glass on the side, glass on the front. Now I have a black O11 over there that's shorter, it's just tall. It doesn't have the bottom USB port, which is one of the reasons why I wanted this case. Wow, that's interesting. That came right off. They're supposed to be captive. Not supposed to have come off. Okay. Yeah, they do. So much for being captive. It's filter. And the Snowblind limited edition, this is black, not white. I mean, it's white, not black. I think it should have been white here too. You start moving pieces to safe locations. Specifically, just not in my way. It's held on with two little nubs that go down up here in the top. So this over here. One comes off. Back comes off. Okay, so get this turned a little bit so you can see a little bit what I'm doing. First thing we need is the I/O plate. Double check the motherboard. Make sure we're putting this in the right orientation. I put that in quick because there's been a number of times I have forgotten and had to do the motherboard. 3, 6, 9 offsets. So we should be able to drop the motherboard right in there. I'm using the heatsink. You don't want to get any of those pins. They're all grounding devices. And it sits just like that. I'm looking down each hole to make sure I see the offset line up with the hole. You don't want them touching the bottom of the motherboard. That could be a bad thing. Here, I put knife weights. I thought I wouldn't need it. Oh, looks like a graphic card holder. What kind of toys in here? Okay. That's good. Not seen that done before. More likely these are for the power supply, so I'm going to leave them in the bag and close them. And we're going to end up with screws everywhere. So get a magnet plate. Now, oh, that's for a hard drive tray. There's really huge heads. That's usually for hard drives. So there's a bunch of those. That's my first thing I can grab. So I'm just moving them. Wow, there's quite a few of them. My previous computer has 6 hard drives in it. The one sitting behind me. We're not going to do that many this time. There. That'll limit what we're digging through. Okay, for the motherboard, usually want flat heads with a wide brim. I'm going to do the first one with a regular screwdriver so I can fill it. Because I think that's not it. Nope, immediately grabs. It's not it. So we're going to go the one that has like a little nut head on the top. Even that grabs. So what do we got here? Okay, this is a wide head with no nut. That's the one it wants. All right, so let's get about a couple of these. Usually I do the one in the center first, just somebody did the corner for whatever reason. Wrong one. There's one. This is an impact Bosch bit. I use it on my Makitas because the bits are extremely hard. They're extremely durable. But in this scenario, it'd probably be nice if they were a little magnetic, and they're not. He wants it going crooked. This is magnetic, and it's got a diamond bit. Chip. So when it grabs a hold of it, it's going to hang on to it. I think I keep picking up that same one. And if you notice, there's no rhyme or reason to the way I'm putting this together. There is an initial strategy. I usually do the center, and then I do the opposite corners. Because once you do that, then you are assured that you have it all. And 2 more to go. I didn't count, and I'm not counting, I just looked. No point of trying to remember what's right in front of you. Three, three, three. Motherboard's in.